How to make a logo using Canva software. Hi everyone, today I'm here by teaching an interesting skill with Canva, how to make a logo, which I'm sure will be interesting and useful for many of you. Run Canva application. You can also enter the application through canva.com. To use ready-made templates in logo design, first select the logo option from the Create Design menu on the top right side of the page. There are a large number of ready-made templates in this section, which are also categorized by topics for ease of work. You can even search for the desired field using the search tool. For example, I select computer and all templates related to the computer are displayed for me. Choose any template you want. A full range of editing capabilities are also provided by each template. To start, click on the text and type your description. You can change the font size and font color and give it an effect at the same time. Now, click on your required element to put it in the selection mode. You can change the size and color of the shape that you have selected. In the element section, you can add elements of your choice, change its color according to your logo, and add desired text. Then open the File menu from the top left and press Download. Select the file type as PNG and press the Download button and save it in any direction you like. Well, your logo is easily made. Look carefully at the video tutorials to easily understand how to work. Now, let's see how we can design a logo without using ready-made templates. First, select the logo and in the text field, type the letters or name you want and choose a font. Change the font size and give it an effect too. Choose your favorite photos from the element section according to the theme of your logo and make your desired changes. And at last, save your logo. The Canva program can be accessed for free from its website canva.com, but if you purchase the premium version of the program, you will have a wide variety of options and facilities. I hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe to my page to be informed about the next tutorials. I look forward to your support. Love you and goodbye.